Hi, my name's Joe. Today I'm recording a play along video. It's a easy blues for beginners. It's called E-Ride. We're going to be focusing on using the E string and the A string. And the focus of this is to get some finger independence and clarity on the notes and the picking. You can do this with a pick or your thumb, whatever you're using at the moment, and it can be played at any speed. I'm going to play it in a nice moderate pace. I'm going to play it through once at a speed for you to play along. The tab will be linked by PDF in the description. Enjoy. Here we go. There we go. Enjoy playing E-Rides, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.